Alright. Everything's strapped down. I mean, looks good. Back camera, good. Tripods, check. Alright. Oh, it has to be in gear, guys. So, welcome to my MotoVlog. This is a new venture. That's what I was saying. A reason to be talking to myself. I mean, I do it anyways, but, you know, now I have you, Internet. I feel like I need a cool intro phrase or catch. Hey, guys. Hey, Internet. Hey, Internet. Hello again, Internet. Like, do I say Internet? Do I say YouTube? Hello, YouTube. I'm not really talking to YouTube. I'm talking to, like, the people of YouTube. Hello, citizens of YouTube. Changing lanes. I am riding. God, it's such a nice day out. So about me. About Tall Man of Tall Man Moto. 32. I live in the great state of Washington, as you can see by the Seattle sign. My background is in video production and photography. I was in the Navy for 5 years doing all that, journalism. Hopefully I don't get creamed by this truck. And I love motorcycles, man. I love being on the bike. I love creating content. I'm getting real seriously into like camping. Recently kind of stocked up on all the needed gear for moto camping. And all of that kind of made sense to get into. Sorry, I'm checking my tripods to make sure, you know, they're still there. This one seems to have shifted. No, we're good. No, everything's good back there. We're good. Everything's good. Secured load. So here we are, Tall Man Moto. I picked the name simply because it's fun to say, and I'm tall as shit. Stand at like 6'5.5", 6'6". See what happens, man. It's a new adventure. Add it to the list of things I've tried. Yeah, so we're loaded up today. We're gonna go out and do some general trying out of moto vlogging. I'm actually going out to do a review of the Fire Maple X2 little camping stove system. But I want to speed up and catch this man on his motorcycle. What you got? Ooh, a Honda. Nice. I like your Honda. It's a pretty blue. He was not enthused by my thumbs up. I gave him a thumbs up, in case you didn't see it. It's what you do when you go buy somebody. You give them a thumbs up. Ooh, a Mercedes. Oh, is that a bi-turbo? Are you bi-turbo Mercedes? I'm going to be doing product reviews. Nothing sponsored or paid, and I promise you that my opinion is honest. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna ask for free shit so that I can review it because I like free shit. But that said, I'm not gonna be like, give me your product and I'll say it's good even if it's not. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. What is all over the ground? I should be looking up here. Fireman, I see you. Me excusey. Hello. Hello. Hi. The light's green. Go. I should not be in your blind spot. Motorcycle tip: don't ride in the blind spot. Yeah, you'll get lots of those. Oh, this guy. This frickin' guy. Okay, time to go around there, bud. Time to go. Oh, now you're gonna speed up. We're gonna play that game. Oh, this is fun. I am enjoying this. Speed! No, just kidding. Never speed. Safety first, people. Motorcycle tip. Safety first. You need air conditioning. You've stopped very far back. There's a lot of space here, lady. What are you doing? Why do people do that? Who are you talking to? What's happening right now? Pay attention to the road. I can tell the garbage truck went this way. Jesus, thank you. Look, ready? Lights. Why do they put those there? It just encourages you. It's fun. Oh yeah, I have Instagram, people. Go check out the Insta. Dumb. Check my Insta at TallmanMoto. Dope. Oh. Just kidding. Motorcycle tip. Always know what gear you're in. Oh look, oh that's that weird three-wheeled front thing. Dope. This is a giant happy face, which makes me think it's a government conspiracy. Well, how are we going to hide this top secret piece of equipment? Let's just put a happy face on it. Nobody will know. Brilliant, Barbara. Aw, that graffiti said Mom. Oh, look, Ma, no hands. It's okay, science keeps me up. That's a dope bike. Old Beamer. Well, what do we have here? Is that a ruckus? Is that a ruckus? Yeah! I love your ruckus. Alright, let's see how many people don't follow the ferry traffic thing and cut over past the double white line. This is a fun game I like to play. Cue the 8-bit music. Ready? Ding! Good job, that guy. Okay, ferry traffic's going well. So far so good. Let's see. This guy does not realize that he is not paying attention. She's in her own world. To be fair, she wasn't on her phone. She was looking for something. Oh, and she fucked it up. Now she's gonna run it. Oh, not well played, lady. Not well played. And now you're worried. Oh, and now you're blocking traffic, guys. This is, and you're exactly where you shouldn't be. Yep. You might want to back up. Or are you just going to stay where you shouldn't be? Cool. Cool. Nobody can go there. Oh, no, 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 no. Nope. Nope. Time to get them. Nope. You know there's a whole line back there you just cut, right? You're going to have to loop around. Sorry, man. No, you're good. I'm just letting you know. Okay, sorry, man. Yeah. I thought I did, but damn. No, you're good. You got to go all the way back up before the double white starts. Okay, sorry, man. Yep. Don't give me that. There's a big giant sign. You know better. Got him. Social justice served. Let's get on the ferry. This is my favorite. Yeah, baby. Pouch, pouch, pow. Oh, he's a chipmunk, little chipmunk. Nature. Oh, I'm gonna run your child over, lady. You better be terrified. Bicycles are dumb. Put a motor on it. Alright, well, first product review done. Awkward as shit, but done. I'll probably watch it and be like, I need to do that again this week. La 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 da. Motorcycle. Look at all these. It's a Monday. Wait a second. What are you doing here on a Monday? Go to work, you hoodlums. Boop. No, I don't want a receipt. What is this, 1992? You think I gotta balance a checkbook later? Honk. I can do that. It's that honk for our graduate. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. I'd have went. Oh, I'm not turning. Guys, my battery died. And then I realized my battery died. And for no particular reason, with nothing to say, I was just so alone. I'm already addicted to the vlog. Hopefully you are too. Like and subscribe. It's nice to have somebody when you're all alone. Oh shit, deer! Ass! Babies! This is where I ate shit for the first time because of that patch of gravel right there. Came in too hot and out of nowhere. I was on the ground, don't you dare. Oh, god damn Prius. Come on. I hate Priuses. For exactly this reason. They are slow and I am fast. What up? Well, he gave me throttle wave. He's not doing it right. I'm gonna honk at these people and they're gonna be excited about it. Yeah! I don't know anything about that person, but I made them happy. Made them believe in what they're doing, and that's important, I think. Yeah, yeah, baby, oh, oh. The island. Ooh, motorcycle. He's getting a direct point. I don't know what he did. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna wonder what that meant. Is that like lights flashing? I feel like maybe I'm gonna get turned around. Is that turn around? He had two fingers. Two fingers isn't turn around. One finger. This is turn around. Don't turn around. I don't know what he meant. I don't know. What was he trying to do? I don't know. I don't know what it was. I don't know what that was. It's really boggling my brain. Guess we'll find out. There's either going to be a cop, or I'm going to have to turn around, or maybe it's 2 times Tuesday up here somewhere on a Monday. Oh, I don't know. I want this. Yes, much better. This thing, guys, Cramp Buster. This little $10 piece of plastic. Greatest thing ever if you're like rolling. You're on a ride. Like I'm just kind of dangling my hand. It's the next best thing I can think of, like actual cruise control. That also might be Chris Outfit. Chris Outfit. Carol. I saw Carol. We're slowing. It's always a Prius. Addicts. Alright, well, suppose that's the end of my first vlog. Let me go over here so this guy can see me. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it wasn't, like, terribly... I mean, if you made it to the end, obviously you didn't hate it. Or you just really wanted to, like, watch the whole thing to troll appropriately. Which, I guess, also, whatever. That's what you're into. Cool. Show me that I'm not terrible and hit the like button. Show me that you want me to keep making videos and hit the subscribe button. Dumb car. So like and subscribe, guys. Hit the ring-a-ding-ding or whatever fucking kids are saying these days. The bell thing. Ding that dong. That's what I'm gonna say. Don't forget to ding the dong. And we'll see you cats and kittens later. That bitch did it. Bye! motorcycle.